6 healthy breakfasts for rapid weight loss. If you want to integrate an optimal and healthy diet, you must understand that the most important food to keep a balance is called breakfast. Breakfast is considered the basis of other meals as it provides the nutrients necessary for the body to begin its digestion process and provide the different nutrients to support the morning activity. In these healthy breakfasts, you must take into account that they must contain carbohydrates and proteins. Breakfast number 1. Skim milk, 1 cup. 1 glass of orange juice. 2 slices of diet bread with dietary jam. 1 kiwi, fruit. Breakfast number 2. 1 dietary yogurt plus whole grain cereal. 2 slices of clean pineapple plus melon. Carrot shape plus apple without skin. 9 toasted almonds. Breakfast number 3. 1 cup of hot, skim, milk. 1 slice of diet bread. 1 tablespoon of diet jam. 1 cup of tropical fruit salad. Breakfast number 4. 3 slices of clean pineapple. 15 walnuts or toasted almonds. 1 diet yogurt plus diet cereal. 1 cup of warm red tea. 1 soup cup of whole grain cereal with skim milk. Breakfast number 5. 1 hot cup of skim milk. 2 slices of turkey ham. 1 slice of diet bread plus jam. 1 glass of pineapple juice. Breakfast number 6. 1 cup of cappuccino or coffee with milk. 1 apple without skin. 3 oatmeal cookies plus a slice of skimmed cheese in squares. 1 slice of diet bread. Also in your breakfasts, you should integrate foods that are rich in protein, fiber, and many nutrients. It is very important that you dedicate the necessary time to breakfast if you want to lose weight. Did you know that people who prioritize breakfast usually tend to have thinner, athletic bodies, even without exercise, and they tend to have totally normal levels? If you decide to have breakfast with this diet, lose weight, and take the advice, leave us an I like the video. When you subscribe to the channel, don't forget to activate the bell to receive more videos like this.